Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. In the late 1990s, the American truck landscape was dominated by giants, powerful V8s, heavy frames, and full-size dominance. But beneath that horizon, another movement was quietly shaping the future: the rise of compact pickup trucks. They were practical, efficient, capable enough for everyday life, and affordable for younger buyers and small businesses. Into this environment, in 1997, Nissan introduced a name that would become an icon in its own right: the Nissan Frontier. For decades, Nissan had already earned respect in the United States for its hard-working compact trucks. The D21 Hardbody, known for its durability and tough styling, had built a loyal following. But by the mid-90s, Nissan recognized that the market was changing. Buyers wanted modern design, improved comfort, better safety, and updated features without sacrificing the simplicity and toughness that made compact trucks appealing. The Frontier was engineered to be that next step, bridging the gap between rugged work tools and comfortable everyday vehicles. The 1997 Frontier marked the beginning of a new generation for Nissan's small trucks, replacing the hardbody and introducing fresh styling that pushed the brand into a new era. The Frontier featured smoother lines, rounded edges, and a more contemporary look than the sharp-edged pickup it succeeded. It still carried a tough stance, but its design was friendlier, more modern, and better aligned with the trends of the late 1990s. The bold front grille, clean body panels, and lifted fender lines gave it a confident presence without the aggressive tone of larger American trucks. Under the hood, the 1997 Frontier offered a range of engines tailored to different needs. The base model came with a 2.4-liter Ka24de inline-4, known for its reliability and strong low-end torque, ideal for city hauling, small business use, and light recreational towing. For those seeking more power, higher trims offered the 3.3-liter VG33E V6, which significantly boosted torque and highway performance. These engines were paired with either a smooth-shifting 5-speed manual or a 4-speed automatic transmission. With optional 4WD available, the Frontier provided a capable platform for off-road adventures, appealing to outdoor enthusiasts and hobbyists alike. Inside the cabin, the 1997 Frontier introduced a level of comfort not typically seen in compact trucks of the era. Its interior was designed with ergonomic simplicity, supportive seats, logical controls, and improved visibility through larger windows. Though modest by today's standards, the Frontier's cabin was a noticeable upgrade from its predecessor: quieter, more refined, and better equipped. Options like air conditioning, upgraded audio systems, and extended cab variants with jump seats made it an attractive choice for buyers who needed a truck that could double as a comfortable daily driver. Safety was also becoming a priority in the late 1990s, and Nissan responded by integrating features that aligned with new regulations and consumer expectations. The 1997 Frontier included dual front airbags, side impact reinforcement, and improved crash test engineering. These advancements helped position the Frontier as a reliable and secure compact truck for families, small businesses, and young drivers. One of the defining strengths of the 1997 Frontier was its versatility. It appealed to a broad spectrum of drivers: tradespeople who needed a dependable workhorse, students and young professionals who wanted an affordable and adventurous vehicle, families seeking a practical secondary car, and off-road fans who appreciated the truck's rugged platform. The Frontier's cabin was a noticeable upgrade from its predecessor: quieter, more refined, and better equipped. Options like air conditioning, upgraded audio systems, and extended cab variants with jump seats, the Frontier's wide range of trims, cab configurations, and drivetrain choices meant that there was a version suited for nearly every lifestyle. While full-size trucks continued to dominate sales, the Frontier carved out a dedicated niche by offering something different: a manageable size, good fuel economy, and Nissan's reputation for long-lasting mechanical durability. Its simple engineering made it easy to maintain, and many Frontiers from the late 1990s are still seen on roads today, an enduring testament to their build quality. Beyond its immediate success, the 1997 Frontier carried deeper significance. It laid the foundation for the Frontier nameplate, which would go on to become one of Nissan's most successful North American truck lines. The Frontier's wide range of trims, cab configurations, and drivetrain choices meant that there was a version suited for nearly every lifestyle. The Frontier proved that compact trucks could be reliable tools and comfortable companions, and in doing so, it played a crucial role in shaping the segment in the decades that followed. Today, the 1997 Nissan Frontier stands as an important chapter in the evolution of compact pickups in the United States. It bridged the rugged past of the hardbody with the modern truck era that was just beginning. With its durable powertrains, practical interior, and updated design, the 1997 Frontier captured the balance between utility and everyday comfort, earning a place as one of Nissan's most respected and enduring trucks. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.